10 undeniable reasons people hate robot, in detail. While robots have made significant advancements in various fields, they are still not widely accepted by some people. Here are 10 reasons why people may dislike robots. Number 1. Fear of job displacement. One of the main reasons people dislike robots is the fear of losing their jobs. As robots become more advanced, they can perform tasks that were previously done by humans. This fear of job displacement can lead to resentment towards robots. Number 2. Uncanny valley. The uncanny valley is a term used to describe the discomfort people feel when robots look almost, but not quite, like humans. This can create an unsettling feeling, making it difficult for people to trust and interact with robots. Number 3. Lack of empathy. Robots lack the ability to feel empathy, which is an essential quality for building trust and strong relationships. People may dislike robots because they feel that they cannot connect with them on a personal level. Number 4. Privacy concerns. With the advancement of technology, robots can now collect vast amounts of personal information. This can lead to concerns about privacy, leading people to fear the misuse of their personal information. Number 5. Lack of creativity. Robots are programmed to perform specific tasks and lack the creativity and spontaneity that humans possess. This can make them seem uninteresting and boring to some people. Number 6. Loss of control. Robots operate according to their programming, which can make people feel like they are losing control. This loss of control can lead to fear and mistrust of robots. Number 7. Unpredictability. Robots can malfunction or behave unexpectedly, which can be frightening for some people. This unpredictability can make people hesitant to use robots in various settings. Number 8. Cost. The cost of robots can be high, making them inaccessible to many people. This can lead to resentment towards robots, as they are seen as a luxury item that only a few people can afford. Number 9. Ethical concerns. As robots become more advanced, ethical concerns arise. For example, some people are concerned about the potential misuse of robots in military applications, leading to resentment towards them. Number 10. Lack of emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize and manage one's own emotions, as well as understand the emotions of others. Robots lack this ability, making it difficult for them to navigate complex